Ooh, you sexy, sexy, cute little thing, you.
Yeah. Ooh. We go forever now. We go forever now. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever now. We go forever now. Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps so.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, it's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and please turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. All right, y'all. So today we're gonna talk about Amina. Okay, now y'all know I loved me some RONAE from the Shear Muse collection that we're gonna be doing today, and so I figured pick up Amina. She looks like the little sister, or whatever, a little bit shorter. She's gonna be just as cute and all that good stuff and all that stuff. All right, just to sum it up, I absolutely loved RONAE. I even did an update saying how I wore that wig. Now I wore that wig so many times, y'all. I'm talking about over 10 times. I have slept in the unit over 5 times. The hair still looks very nice, y'all. I'm still getting compliments on it. I put a picture up showing you guys because the videos that I just did last week, I actually had RONAE on and she holding up. She's still looking good, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. So with that being said, I have high hopes with Amina. So we have another unit from Sensational Shear Muse, and this is Amina. I have it in the color 99J. Now it does say it's supposed to have a pre-plucked hairline, baby hair. Was supposed to be a natural density hairline, right? HD lace, keep them guessing, all that good stuff, premium fiber, boom. So I'm gonna stay off jump. I'm gonna jump into the styling portion, you guys, but I do have timestamps you could bounce around. I'm just gonna be very detailed with you guys because Amina was not just a simple 1, 2, 3 at all. And I have a very different experience with Amina than I did with RONAE. This one was a little more difficult. And also, just to let you know from jump, I'm not super pleased with her. You'll see it in the styling portion if you want to watch it. So let's go.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Is you riding on a team? Got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know.
So first of all, I'm gonna jump in with saying this is a 99J. It's more so of a 99J and 1B blend. It's just strands of burgundy throughout the unit, but the unit overall is more like a 1B. So you're not getting a solid 99J with this one at all. So they did say that they had a natural density pre-plucked hairline. This unit is not giving that at all. At all. Super, super blunt, you guys. Look at this when I pull it back. It looks so wiggy, so blunt. Now, when I was styling the wig, I was attempting to melt it down along the hairline like I did with RONAE. But I realized RONAE was a lot more natural in the hairline than this was. And then I'm like, girl, it don't even make sense because you're not even going to be showing all of this stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? It's super blunt. There's no need to show it because there's nothing to show. So I said, never mind, we're not going to do that. I made me a little part. I will say though, wherever you make your part, that little area does come off a little natural because it seems like it does get a little bit of natural within that little 2-inch parting space that they give you as far as them spacing out the little hairs and stuff. So it does kind of give me like a little natural part. So that looks real, looks good, it looks nice, right? Overall, the style itself is pretty, but you have to put in work to make it look like really good or let it sit nice on your head, because when I first put it on, I already knew that I was gonna have to do some work, especially on the sides. This unit is super curly that it's like really hard to get these curls out. She was just looking like a big poodle puffball everywhere. Now I noticed on the stock card, sis does have little sideburns that's laid down. And that's how I like to use my pixies, or wear my pixies too, because I feel like it gives you more of that natural look and it takes the wig look up out of it, right? But with this unit, it was extremely hard to get these sideburns to sit. You ain't gonna be able to do nothing with no mousse or no foam because it's just gonna be wet and curl right back up to where it was. Even using a Got To Be Glue spiking gel, I had to hold her down for dear life. I had to get it darn near dry before I could let it go because she kept just reverting back to the curl. So that little sideburn she got on there, I don't know what they did to hold that down, but it ain't that easy. I don't know if you can see that it's still curling up on the end. So she was difficult. The way she was rounded and puffed like a little puff ball, you have to do something to the sides, like throw some mousse on it, squish it down, mold it down, blow dry it down. You have to do something or it's just gonna look like a ball. I feel like you could even go in with some thinning shears or like a razor comb, and you could even thin it out because she was not all that easy. Now that I got her styled on my head and sitting on cute, she is kind of cute. But she ain't giving me like, ooh, you sexy, cute little thing, you. I'm not getting that. I'm just getting like, you're cute. Y'all let me know if I'm tripping, right? Let me know in the comment section. But she's not giving what I wanted it to give. And most of it is because, like I said, she's not that easy to style. So if you're new to wigs, I'm not going to tell you that this is going to be a beginner friendly wig, because it's definitely not if you want it to look right. If you want to wear it the way it looks straight out of the pack, that's on you. Then I guess you can call it easy at that sense, you know what I'm saying? But I do like the curls or whatever. I do like it. I like short hair on me and all that stuff, y'all. It's whatever at this point. It's just whatever. She's cute. She made her little debut or whatever, but I'm alright. I'll stick to RONAE. RONAE is much better in my opinion. Now, as far as the size, I have a 22.5 circumference size head. I feel like she's fitting me with just a little bit more wiggle room. She's not tight. She's not hurting or anything like that. But what you're seeing on my head is almost like she's a perfect fit. So any smaller, then it would have been a problem. So if you got a bigger head than me, and if you get her, you may struggle a little bit. She got me a run for my money trying to style her. I'm glad I got her looking like this, but she's definitely not one of my favorites. She's not going to be sticking around. She will be in a wig sale because I don't want to, and I don't want to put this work in. I do wish they gave her more of a natural hairline so I could have slicked it back to something a little sexy with it, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good. I'm gonna stick to RONAE. RONAE's back. RONAE is bae, honey. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Y'all let me know what you think about Amina in the comment section below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.